Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 393. Binary number with alternating bits. So we want to check if two adjacent bits are same or not. So for this given integer, they're gonna be 32 bits. And if we go through this list of lengths of 32, and if we check if two of them are equal, then that means it failed. Otherwise, they are different. We can keep going. I mean, as long as we found something that is equal to each other, then we can stop the loop and return false. Another thing we have to pay attention to is I would like to go through this list from left to right, or let's put it the other way. Let's start from the most significant bits from this side towards the least significant bits, so the direction. The third point I want to point out is we have to be careful that there are gonna be some leading zeros until at some point we find a 1. Then we start checking all the other numbers or bits are alternating. I can use a flag here to monitor when I reach the first digital 1. But anyway, that's the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.